In today's video, I'll show you how to properly adjust the headlights on a 4th-generation Hyundai Accent. If your headlights are aimed too high, too low, or simply don't illuminate the road correctly, this guide will help you adjust them yourself in just a few minutes, without visiting a repair shop. Before we begin, it's important to prepare the vehicle correctly. Park your car on a completely level surface and position it as close as possible to a flat wall. Next, measure the height from the ground to the center of each headlight. Transfer that measurement onto the wall by drawing a straight horizontal line. This reference line will be used to accurately adjust the headlights. Once the markings are complete, carefully move the vehicle back approximately 5 meters, or about 16 feet. This is the recommended distance for making accurate headlight adjustments. Now let's move on to the most important part of the process. Open the hood and take a look at the headlight housing. You'll notice that the headlight is marked with 1%. This indicates the required downward angle of the light beam. In other words, at a distance of 5 meters, the top edge of the beam should be approximately 5 centimeters, 2 inches, below the reference line you marked on the wall. This is the position you should aim for during the adjustment. Now let's look at the adjustment screws. The headlight has 2 adjustment points. One controls the vertical position of the beam, while the other controls the horizontal alignment. I'll show you exactly where both of them are located. To adjust the headlights, you can use a standard Phillips screwdriver. Simply insert it into the adjustment screw and slowly turn it while watching the beam pattern on the wall. If you prefer, you can also use a ratchet with an 8mm socket, which many people find more comfortable and easier to use. As you turn the adjustment screw, you'll immediately see the beam moving up or down. Continue making small adjustments until the top edge of the light beam is positioned about 5 centimeters below the reference line. After that, repeat the same procedure for the other headlight, making sure both headlights are aligned evenly. Properly adjusted headlights will provide better visibility at night while preventing glare for oncoming drivers, making your driving safer for everyone on the road.